Kahoot is a fun, innovative tool meant to engage learners through the use of interactive quizzes and surveys. Anyone with a valid email address can sign up for an account, which takes less than a minute to do. By registering for an account, the user is able to create quizzes, polls, and surveys. Once signed in, the user is taken to the home page. From here, you can create a new Kahoot, access your previously created Kahoots, or look for public Kahoots created by other users. We will begin by creating a new quiz. It will prompt you to name your quiz. We will name this one, What is Instructional Technology? Click Go. Okay, here you would input the first question. You can choose to make the question worth points or not. By enabling points, it creates sort of a competition among the participants. You can also choose a time limit ranging from 5 seconds anywhere up to 2 minutes. Here it allows for pictures or diagrams to be inserted. So for instance, you have a question that asks students to correctly name a shape. This would be where you place those choices. Down here is where you type in the answers. Okay. Then you choose which answer is correct. You can choose more than one to be the right answer. Here is where you would take away answers or add an answer field. You can have up to 4 answers. Alright, so once you have your question and answers put in, you can choose to add more questions, delete a question, or save this quiz as is and continue. So that's what we're going to do. This screen allows you to change the language, privacy settings, making it either public or private, and also asks you for the primary audience. Here, you put a brief description of the quiz. You can change the difficulty level here, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And here you can put a tag, just so this way your quiz is searchable. Okay, so save and continue. Here you can add a cover image to your quiz that the participants would see while waiting for the quiz to load. Again, we're going to skip that. Okay, so now we've completed our quiz. We're going to go into preview mode. And what this does is it allows for us to see both the quiz screen as well as the screen for the device, the answer pad that the participant uses. Alright, so let's click launch. Okay, ready to join. A specific quiz game pin appears. This is the code the participants will type in on their device to access. So we put in 50926, enter. It also asks for a nickname. This will appear on the home screen so the administrator can see who all has joined up. Once everyone is in, the teacher would click Start Now. Here is the answer pad. The participant will choose the shape that coincides with their choice. After all participants have answered or time has run out, the teacher can choose to re-show the image if he or she would like to explain the answer to the class. Click Next. Here's the scoreboard. We chose to keep points, keep score. So we're going to click End. Feedback and results. Now this allows the user to anonymously rate the quiz. Okay. Final results. You can download the results here into an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so by downloading, you'll see it has an overview of who gave their amount of correct answers, incorrect answers, their score, the ratings given by the students or participants, and also a breakdown of each question and the time it took to answer, the score, so on and so forth. Okay. Note that a quiz, survey, or poll can always be edited or deleted as long as you were the creator. So up here, the Me tab would show all Kahoots that I've created. Okay. If you go up to Public, that shows all public Kahoots. If you choose to play a public Kahoot, click Play. Get on your device, and then enter the game pin once it pops up. Kahoot can be played on any internet-connected device. There is an app on Android for Kahoot, or you can access it by going to kahoot.it. Kahoot isn't limited to a classroom either. Because it can support over 500 participants at a time, Kahoot can also be used in corporate sessions. Hope you all get a chance to use Kahoot at some point in your careers, as it is a fun, engaging tool.